press Menu, then select Installation, Touch Unit, and Installation Pattern. Align the center of the touch unit with the center of the displayed image. Make sure the touch unit is level. If your board is magnetic, you can use the magnets on the back of the touch unit to attach it. If your board is not magnetic, you can use 2 screws to attach the touch unit directly to the board. Be sure to leave about 2/10 of an inch between the touch unit and the top of the image. To turn on the touch unit, press Menu, then select Installation, Touch Unit, Power, and On. Press Menu to exit. The light on the touch unit turns on.